Roku reported their earnings Thursday night, and on Friday morning, the stock gaps higher and closed the day up 14%, or roughly $12. Now, they reported a better than expected number for their revenues for the holiday quarter. Also, the earnings per share was slightly at a loss, and that was also beat Wall Street expectations. Now, if you look at the technicals, you could say that this was forecasted based on price respecting this weekly uptrend, and price was making higher highs and higher lows. Now, why did price close lower from the highs? Well, you could say there was some profit taking, or you can say price ran into a seller's level at $105. Now, before we continue with the analysis, let's actually look at the numbers. So your average Wall Street analyst expected Roku fourth quarter to show a net loss of 42 cents per share on approximately 1.15 billion in sales. The reported loss was much smaller at 24 cents per share, and revenue came in hot at 1.2 billion. Roku's customer metrics were also robust. In the fourth quarter, the company added 4.3 million net new streaming households, a 5% sequential increase. Streaming hours rose by 10%, and average revenue per user ticked 4% higher than the year ago period. Now, advertising was one of the fastest growing operations in the holiday period, led by political, auto, and retail advertising. Management expects negative operating income in 2025, followed by positive figures starting in 2026. The argument that drove the stock lower in recent years are melting away. The stock reached a 52-week high today. This was Friday, but still has a long way to go before challenging the lofty heights seen in 2023 and earlier. In other words, Friday's price jump was a great start, and Roku stock should have plenty of room to grow from here. It's not too late to start a position in this evolving media titan. Well, I'm going to disagree. The level to start a position was down at this weekly buy level at $53. Now that price is trading at $100. It has to contend now with two levels of interest. You have one, which is my final target, at 116, and then you have this now weekly sell level at 105, right? And that was just based on this rallying price, one basic candle, and then the dropout. Price attempted to come back to that level, giving you an indication that there were sellers, and you got your indication from this reaction to this weekly sell level. Now again, my final target is going to be this weekly sell level at 115. That was based on this drop, basic candle, and then the drop out. Now the lofty goals of 2023, well, let's zoom out to the monthly chart. And you can see you have this massive monthly sell level, this drop, this basic candle, and then the drop out at about 250. And so that becomes the ultimate target. However, the chart is suggesting now it's time to take some off the table near that $100 level. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.